If you're looking for ways to easily get your hands on Bitcoin, Bitcoin mining and trading might be the first few things that might come to mind. But if you want to take a simpler route, exploring faucets can be one of your best options. So welcome back to your favourite YouTube channel, NFTs Explained. Today, what is a crypto faucet and how does it work? So without any further delay, let's get started. What are Bitcoin faucets? A crypto faucet or Bitcoin faucet is a mobile application or website that gives away small amounts of BTC or other cryptocurrencies in exchange for completing simple tasks. You can earn money playing Bitcoin games, watching product videos, completing a captcha answering surveys, clicking links, viewing ads, and a lot more. It's called a faucet because rewards it distributes are pretty small, just like tiny drops of water dripping from a leaky faucet. Contrary to popular belief, Bitcoin faucets aren't the get-rich-quick schemes. While making money through a free Bitcoin faucet might sound like a piece of cake, earning a good amount of crypto can take a bit longer, depending on the faucet you're using. Most of the time, the rewards you earn by completing various tasks will go directly to an online wallet provided by the website. It is also important to note that the easier the task, the smaller the reward. Some faucets also require a minimum payout, which means you can only withdraw the rewards you've earned after reaching a certain amount. This may take just a few hours, a day, a week, or even months. It all varies depending on the website's rates. Why are crypto faucets created? Now that you know what these faucets are and how they work, you're probably wondering why they were created in the first place. Here are some of the possible reasons why Bitcoin faucets exist today. Spread the word about Bitcoin. Believe it or not, crypto faucets have been around for more than a decade. A few years after Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin, senior Bitcoin developer Gavin Andresen developed crypto faucets to spread awareness about this new concept and type of money. Bitcoin faucets were designed and developed to distribute a reward of 5 Bitcoins for every completed task. That's over $270,000 today. Limited availability of crypto exchanges. In the early days of Bitcoin, getting your hands on crypto was tough. There weren't many exchanges and platforms where you could easily buy amounts of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. So to introduce it and spark the interest of many people without asking them to buy, crypto faucets were utilised to hand off small amounts of Bitcoin for free. Make money passively. Today, many Bitcoin users make extra money by creating their own faucets. Owners often deposit a certain amount of Bitcoin in their cryptocurrency wallets, linked to their faucet website or app. Faucet owners can make passive income from the ads as long as they're making more money than what they are dispensing to the users. Aside from acting as an early reward system, distributor and promoter of Bitcoin, crypto faucets have also served the purpose of educating people about the wonders Bitcoin can do. For some crypto enthusiasts today, these faucets are powerful tools to make passive income. How do crypto faucets work? Earlier we mentioned that Bitcoin faucets reward you with small amounts of Bitcoin after completing small tasks. The rewards you will get are in Satoshis, the smallest unit of Bitcoin named after its mysterious creator. How small is it? You can divide 1 Bitcoin into 100 million Satoshis. The amount you receive depends on the kind of task you will complete and the faucet provider you're into. It's simply a case-by-case basis. Often, crypto faucets send Bitcoin payouts directly to your Bitcoin wallet or via a third-party micropayment wallet. If you don't have a Bitcoin wallet yet, you can create a Paxful account and you'll instantly receive one for free. You can access your Paxful wallet via web browsers or the Paxful mobile app. On the other hand, micropayment wallets, also known as micro wallets, are similar to online or traditional desktop wallets. The main difference is that this wallet is designed to collect and store only a small amount of cryptocurrencies. Micro wallets are usually linked to your faucet account, and using one will help you manage your Satoshis before you send them directly to your Bitcoin wallet. Before you choose a Bitcoin faucet, the next step is to look for a Bitcoin faucet that will best fit your needs. Before you choose one, here are some of the most important things you should take note of. Timer. Cryptocurrency faucets often have a refresh or loading time, which can go from 15 minutes to a couple of hours. Claim amount. This tells you exactly how much you can earn and how often. This also varies depending on the simplicity or complexity of the task you will complete. Minimum withdrawal. Earlier, we've mentioned that some crypto faucets will require you to reach a certain amount of Satoshis before you can withdraw your money. Many faucets offer a minimum withdrawal amount of 10,000 Satoshis, which is equivalent to 0.0001 Bitcoin or over $5 US. Withdrawal payment. To withdraw your funds, you'll need a digital wallet. If you have a Paxful account, you can withdraw your cryptos in over 350 ways, including the most popular payment option in your country, referral fee. You might also want to check out how much you make by introducing the Crypto Faucet website or app to your friends and family. Some websites actually offer good bonuses, so be sure to consider this when choosing a faucet. List of the most popular crypto faucets. Interested in giving Bitcoin faucets a shot? Here are some popular crypto faucets in no particular order for you to check out. Cointiply, Bitcoin Aliens, Faucet Crypto, Fire Faucet, CoinPayU, BTC Clicks, Satoshi Quiz. Also, don't limit yourself to one crypto faucet. Try exploring all the faucets in our list and see which one best fits your crypto needs. Good luck. And do take note that this is not financial advice, so do your own research before engaging in any kind of financial activity and invest at your own risk. That's all we have for you today. If you have enjoyed the content of this video, then give it a like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Until then, peace out.